Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time for you to visit, thank you so much. I have a lot of videos to keep you entertained. As you can see, we had winter storm last night. I'm not sure how many inches we got. Seems like probably a foot or something. More than 6 inches of snow last night. So join me here. Let's drive together. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. As always, I appreciate that. So I'm just gonna drive around in the back streets over here in my neighborhood. It's my hood. It's evening, so let's see what the streets look like. They're slippery. They have not been plowed yet. I'm not sure when they're gonna plow them. So I'll just show you around the streets. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want, you can subscribe, give us a like, and you can support us by coming back and watching more videos on the playlist. Some of the streets seem like they've been plowed. Like that street right there. Looks like they plowed, but that's a main street, so it's not gonna have too much snow. Let's see the back streets. In case you wonder, I live in Minnesota. We get a lot of snow. Looks beautiful though. They have a small park over there. You can't see much. Let's go see the main street, what it looks like. I don't know if I have access to the main street here. Oh yeah, I do. Person walking the dog to the left. Right there. The main street won't have much snow. It's called Rice Street. I don't want to drive on the main street. I want to show you the streets in the back. We have snow emergency for tonight, so they're gonna be plowing the streets. Usually they have a system how they plow the streets. They just don't plow the whole thing. There are night routes where they only plow at night, and there are day routes where they plow during the day. Normally there's a sign on the street, but I don't see one here. usually they have a sign that says night route or plow or something. It's either the left. I think one is over here. I'm gonna stop here and look, see what it says. See the red right there? That says, I'm gonna zoom, night plow route. So this street on the right, you can't park here tonight. Like these vehicles on my right, the pickup truck, they're gonna tow them. And in the morning, they're gonna plow on the other side, my left. It's only 4:30, but it's looking dark. See the time, 4:39, but it's dark outside. In winter, it gets dark early at 4:30. You won't see anybody walking. People are at home. They don't want to be out in the cold. That's a school bus. See one person walking right there. Once again, give us a like, subscribe, come back and watch the playlists. If you're not subscribed, you can subscribe if you want. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. Continue supporting us, watching the playlists. Once again, thank you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.